Hi guys, this is your girl LovelyAma and welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, please do it now. Subscribe now and comment also. So in today's video we are going to do how I'm going to show you how I do my aloe vera pre-poo. We are going to also see how I am a mess. I am very much a mess. But before, please, I would like to ask you to follow me on my social medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And watch this video to the end. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's see how I do my. So first and first, you're going to need the aloe vera leaf. And then we are going to cut the part that we need. I'm going to need this much. And as for the rest, you're going to wrap it and put it in the fridge. You have to conserve it in the fridge because it lasts longer. Yeah. So after that, I'm going to cut the part that I'm not going to be using or needing. I will need in this my aloe vera pre-poo. Cut the aloe vera into pieces, and then I'll cut those parts that also I will not need. Please be careful because you can hurt yourself. Yeah, so you have to be very careful when cutting those parts away. After cutting those parts, I'm going to divide my aloe vera into two here because you're going to need the gel to do this pre-poo. So I'm going to need I'm going to cut them into two. So after that, I'm going to clean the place here, and then I'm going to do my oil mix. I need my bowl, then I'll be adding olive oil. The oil, you have to take as much as your hair needs, yeah. And then I'm going to add lavender oil. I added, I think, 5 drops of lavender oil. Then peppermint oil, I'm going to add that one to 5 drops. And then that's all for my oil. But since this oil was not enough, I added olive oil again, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to start my pre-poo. I have to remove that scalp that I was having on my hair, and then look at this aloe vera leaf, how juicy it is. And after that guys, I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. I know that my hair is dirty here because every night I was spraying my hair with water and putting shea butter on my hair, so it has built up on my hair and it has created all this mess here. So I'm going to try to separate my hair, even though it didn't come out that well. Okay, so I'm going to spray my hair with water. Yeah, you're going to need water in this aloe vera pre-poo. And after spraying my hair with water, I'm going to add my aloe vera gel on it. We are going to put the aloe vera gel on it. So guys, so we are going to put the aloe vera gel on our hair. Yeah, on my hair. I'm going to put it on my hair. Yeah, I'll try to distribute it on every part of my hair. Yeah, at that session I will try to distribute the aloe vera on every part of the hair. And also guys, when you find out that the gel is not coming on the surface anymore, you have to dig your fingers in it so that the gel will pop out. Yeah, the gel will come out. So you have to do it in this way. Just dig your fingers in the aloe vera leaf. Yeah, then start sectioning your hair and putting it into every part of the hair. Yeah, because it has to enter into sorry, as you can see, I'm messy. Yeah, I'm a mess. So you have to, as I was saying, you have to put the aloe vera, the gel, into every part, every section. So after putting the leaf, the gel, I'm going to add my oil, the oil mix that I showed you at first. I'm going to put it on my hair. You have to concentrate very much also on your scalp. Yeah, your hair scalp. You have to concentrate very much there. And don't forget about your ends too. Yeah, your ends too, you have to concentrate because they are the oldest part of your hair. So you have to be taking care of them and like cuddling them. So after that, I'm going to repeat the same process into all the 4 sections. So please stay tuned and watch the process. I think by now you all have understand that I am a mess. Yeah, because the leaf fall down again, the aloe vera leaf fall down again, but it didn't fall on the ground, it fall on my dress, like the dress that I was wearing. So as you can see, after putting the gel and also the oil on my hair, I try to massage everything on my hair, on my scalp, and try also to finger detangle. Yeah, finger detangling your hair is good, but you can also use comb as you prefer. Yeah, and the oils too, I didn't tell you first, but I'm telling you now. You can use the oils that you prefer. Just because of using these oils, if you don't have it at home, please, you can only use olive oil. So after finger detangling, this is what I get out of my hair, this much. And I'm going to put that section away. I am going to do the same process on this session again. Yeah, water, spray your hair with water. Try to finger detangle your hair, Then add the aloe vera gel to your hair. Like, try to add the gel to every part of your hair. Try to section your hair, like you have to section your hair to put the gel onto your scalp. Put the gel to all the length of your hair, even the tips of your hair, the ends of your hair. Try to massage. Okay, after putting the oil on your scalp, on your hair, try to massage everything to simulate like flow so that it can work very much on your hair. And guys, like on this hair you can really see my curls popping. Yeah, can you see? it was popping there. It was popping there, yeah. Then I'm going to put this section also away, and so on and so forth. So you look at it, yeah. So guys, after everything, I'm going to wrap my hair, and like to make this thing work, okay, this Pre-Poo work, you always need heat to make this Pre-Poo work, and you have to wait for 30 minutes before washing it out. So I'm going to need heat to let this thing work on my hair. So I'm going to cover my hair very well properly, yeah. So that's all for the hair, and the rest of the leave I'm going to put it on my face because aloe vera is good for the face and it's also good for the hair. So I'm going to even leave a video up there so that you can click on it so that you know how to do aloe vera oil. And in that video I was explaining also some benefits of aloe vera. So yeah, I'm going to distribute. I'm going to put some on my face, and this one too I'm going to wait for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to have my shower after that. So guys, you've seen how I did my pre-poo and I'm a total mess. So this is how I did it, and also later on I did, when I was done and washed it out, I did a bento knot, and this is how it came out. I'm feeling myself. Yeah, this is how it came out here. And yeah, this is all for this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. See you in my next video. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay safe. Okay guys, bye. Love you. Bye. Better from my hair. I think so.